That was like, you know, two plug and play, like plugging, and then there was a third plugging, and there was a fourth plugging. Like, gosh, does that remind you of anything? Krisisis plugging. Oh, they got unplugged. What? All right. Oh no. What are they doing? Bro, we are just homies. Bro. Bro, we're homies, bro. What the fuck? Oh no! Who are you? Who are you? Where are you coming from? You cannot just plug like this? Out of nowhere? No, that movie. No! Who are you? No, turn back, turn back. Turn back, bro. Who are you, bro? No, I cannot. Claude? Hi. Claude, bro. How are you doing? Yo, Claude, like, what's up?